So to make brown with colored pencils, you don't want to use the brown pencil. You're going to make your own brown. And to do that, you just need to combine contrasting colors. So colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. And that can be green and red, or orange and blue. And the other one is yellow and purple. And I don't actually have a purple in this pack, so I can combine my blue and red with my yellow to give me a brown. So you want to try out each of those combinations, see what you come up with, and see which is closest to the brown that you're trying to achieve. Here I have an image of a teddy bear, which is mostly brown. I could use my brown pencil out of the pack for this, but that's not going to give me very much range. It's not going to allow me to show all the different shades of brown that are in this teddy bear, which is why I need to be able to make my own browns so that I'm able to show all these different shades and all these different colors within this brown teddy bear. So I'm going to make my own browns, and I'm going to begin with contrasting colors.